Welcome to our exploration of the Bongo Cat transparency issue. Let's start by understanding what Bongo Cat is and the common problem that affects its use in streaming. Bongo Cat is a web-based animation tool where a cat appears to play bongos. It's designed to respond to keyboard inputs with fun, looping animations. The common problem with Bongo Cat is that when used as an overlay in streaming software like OBS Studio, it displays with a solid background, usually white, instead of being transparent. This disrupts the visual appeal of your stream. This issue stems from how web browsers handle alpha channels, which control opacity in canvas rendering. By default, many browsers render canvases with an opaque background for performance reasons, rather than supporting full transparency. Understanding this fundamental issue is key to resolving the transparency problem in Bongo Cat. In the next sections, we'll explore practical solutions to make your streaming overlays work perfectly. Transparency is crucial for stream overlays like Bongo Cat to work effectively in your broadcast. Without it, the overlay becomes a visual obstacle that disrupts your content. When Bongo Cat has a solid background, it covers parts of your stream. This blocks important game footage or chat, creating a distracting barrier that pulls viewers' attention away from the main content. With proper transparency, Bongo Cat blends seamlessly into your stream. The game and other elements remain fully visible, creating a professional overlay that enhances rather than hinders your broadcast. Proper transparency ensures your stream looks polished and engaging. Viewers can focus on the game while enjoying the fun Bongo Cat animation without distractions. Let's explore the first method for fixing Bongo Cat transparency issues by configuring OBS browser source settings. Imagine our friendly Bongo Cat ready to play along. First, open OBS Studio and locate the Sources panel. Right-click in this panel to add a new source. From the context menu, select Browser to add a browser source. In the Browser Source Properties window, enter the Bongo Cat URL. Most importantly, check the Shutdown Source When Not Visible option to optimize performance. Next, in the Custom CSS section, add this code to force transparency. Body background color transparent. This ensures OBS interprets the alpha channel correctly. When the Bongo Cat background appears as a solid color like white, you can use OBS's chroma key filter to remove it. This method works by identifying and eliminating pixels that match the background color. First, locate your Bongo Cat browser source in the OBS Sources panel and right-click on it to open the context menu. From the context menu, select Filters to open the Filters window where you can add effects to the source. In the Filters window, click the Add button and select Chroma Key from the list of available filters to add it to your source. In the Chroma Key settings, set the key color type to white for a white background, or use Custom Color to pick the exact background color. Then adjust the Similarity slider to control how closely pixels must match the key color to be removed, Smoothness to soften the edges, and Key Color Spill Reduction to prevent color bleeding onto the cat. Once configured, the Chroma Key filter will make the background transparent, allowing your Bongo Cat to blend seamlessly into your stream overlay. Community-maintained forks of Bongo Cat on GitHub often use WebGL for rendering, which provides more effective transparency handling compared to standard canvas methods. WebGL is a web technology that allows for hardware-accelerated graphics rendering, including proper alpha channel support for transparent backgrounds. To find these improved versions, search for repositories like Bongo Cat Transparent on GitHub. These community forks specifically address the transparency issues. When using forks from GitHub, exercise caution and review the code to ensure it's safe. Unknown sources could potentially contain security risks or unwanted modifications. For the best reliability and security, using the original Bongo Cat code directly from strayer.com is always recommended whenever possible. For users familiar with CSS, you can inject custom styles to force transparency in Bongo Cat overlays. Apply the Mix Blend Mode screen property to the Bongo Cat element within OBS browser source custom CSS settings. This property blends the cat animation with the background, effectively removing the solid white or black color that causes overlay issues. The result is seamless transparency, allowing Bongo Cat to integrate perfectly into your streaming overlays without background artifacts. When using Bongo Cat in OBS, you might encounter performance issues like CPU spikes that affect your stream quality. Let's explore some troubleshooting steps to optimize performance. Performance issues often manifest as CPU spikes, where your computer's processor usage suddenly increases, causing lag or dropped frames in your stream. First, try reducing the resolution of your browser source. In OBS, right-click the Bongo Cat source and select Properties. Lower the width and height values to reduce the rendering load on your CPU. Second, disable hardware acceleration in OBS. Go to Settings, then Advanced, and uncheck Enable Browser Source Hardware Acceleration. This can reduce CPU usage by using software rendering instead. Third, ensure your browser source isn't overlapping other elements unnecessarily. In OBS, arrange your sources so Bongo Cat only covers the area it needs, reducing rendering complexity. Fourth, test different rendering engines in OBS. In Browser Source Properties, try switching between CEF, WebKit, or Gecko engines to find which performs best on your system. These troubleshooting steps should help resolve most performance issues with Bongo Cat in your streams. Remember to apply these fixes one at a time and test your stream after each change to identify the most effective solution for your setup. Looking ahead, the future of Bongo Cat and streaming overlays holds promising developments. One exciting trend is the upcoming native web GPU support. This modern web standard, expected by 2027, will enable Bongo Cat to render with full transparency without requiring complex workarounds or sacrificing performance. For users facing persistent issues, alternative overlay tools offer reliable solutions. Streamlabs provides a wide range of customizable widgets that integrate seamlessly with streaming platforms. Other services like Twitch's built-in tools also offer professional overlay options. The open source community continues to be a vital resource. Keep an eye on GitHub repositories and forks of Bongo Cat, where developers regularly contribute fixes and enhancements. These community-driven updates often resolve transparency issues before official patches are available. Remember to always thoroughly test your configurations and keep up with the latest community developments. This ensures you maintain smooth, professional streaming experiences as tools continue to evolve.